So exactly what are we celebrating tonight?
The end of a year.
There are still a few days left, Ridge.
Look, if I seem kind of anxious to get rid of it...
It is because you are.
You, on the other hand, don't look the worse for wear.
What hasn't been the worst year of my life?
That's not what you told me the other night.
Oh, you remember every word I tell you.
Especially when you have that certain sort of look in your eye.
What look?
Oh, never mind.
Here's to that look in my eye.
Sounds good.
You know, actually, my year has been becoming better and better.
Yeah? In what way?
Well, I'm standing here drinking champagne. It's a beautiful evening. I'm with a relatively attractive man. We're both in our swimsuits. It's the middle of winter.
91 isn't even over yet.
Imagine the possibilities.
Hmm.
Well, it would be nice if someone shared those sentiments with me.
Come on, Doc. Those sentiments are shared.
Are they?
Champagne. Beautiful evening. A relatively attractive woman. We're here in our bathing suits in the middle of winter.
You know what? Somehow that had more potential when I said that.
Potential for what?
Romance, what else?
You know, there's that look. Right there.
Just how potent is it, Rich?
Excuse me.